Ever walked into a room and thought that this feels different? That's no accident. Hi, I'm Digvijay, the creative director at Digvijay Architects. We don't follow trends, we create signature homes that people remember. Great design isn't just visual, it's emotional. It's that feeling you can't explain when everything just clicks. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how we craft our signature style, from timeless aesthetics to functional details. And yes, a terrace barbecue space everyone talks about. Let's pull back the curtain and show you the style, strategy, and spaces that makes a home designed by Digvijay Architects totally recognizable. Here's the framework behind our aesthetic and why it keeps working beyond the generations. Number 1. Trends are studied, not followed. Trends are observed like weather, but our design compass is set to last through generations, not seasons. We keep tabs on design movements, but we don't chase what's viral. We interpret what's relevant, then strip away what won't age well. This gives every project a timeless character. Number 2. Style starts with the site. The site's light, wind, and view guide our materials, layout, and mood from the very first sketch. Every site, whether urban, hillside, or golf facing, suggests a design tone. We let the environment dictate orientation, privacy, and form. Signature style isn't imposed, it's revealed. Number 3. Form follows memory. We design spaces based on how you want to live and feel, not just how they will look online. Our design is driven by moments, morning rituals, family gatherings, and pauses. Form follows function, but also emotion. That's why our homes resonate. Number 4. Color palette is equal to personality. We use colors, textures, and tones to tell your story, not someone else's. We don't use color as decor. We use it to build an emotional atmosphere. From Kota stone floors to hand plastered lime walls, our palettes are rooted, not forced. Number 5. Details define identity. When design feels seamless, it's because every invisible line, corner, and joint was drawn with obsessive precision. Our homes stand out because they are precise. Light cuts align with the beams, grooves wrap around corners, cornices meet at just the right height. Every detail reinforces the overall language. Signature homes go beyond beauty, they leave a lasting impact. Let's talk about what creates that deep emotional memory. Let's look at what makes a home really unforgettable, emotionally and architecturally. Number 1. Create an arrival movement. First impressions are emotional. The entrance should slow down people. It's your home's handshake. We design entries that feel calm, not chaotic. A courtyard, a framed view, or a change in volume. All signal that you have left the world outside. Number 2. Volume over opulence. Double height does not mean loud. It means layered. We shape emotional impact using air, proportion, rhythm, and light. We create drama through scale, not ornamentation. Layering natural light, ceiling changes, and shadows gives a home presence without needing to be loud. Number 3. Design around a memory point. Every signature home has a pause point, a moment you remember long after you leave. It could be a staircase with a sculptural light, a nook under a skylight, or a window seat with a view. These are the moments people talk about years later. Number 4. Signature is equal to simplicity plus surprise. Simplicity builds elegance. Surprise makes it unforgettable. The best designs feel effortless until you notice that one twist. We keep the core layout clean, then add one design twist, maybe a floating slab step, a framed water body, or a tree growing through a deck. Balance is everything. Number 5. Light is the final layer. Signature homes choreograph sunlight from morning glow to evening warmth. Each space has its own evolving mood and rhythm. From east facing courtyards to west skylights for sunset, we design the house rhythm with the sun. When light moves, your home breathes. Now let's bring it all together with one of our most loved client requests, the terrace barbecue area. Want a barbecue area that works year round and wows every single time? Here is our blueprint. Number 1. Define zones early. Terrace barbecues need flow. Without zoning for specific areas like lounge, dining, and leisure, it turns into outdoor chaos. We pre-allocate terrace space, grill area, bar counter, seating, greens. Nothing is random. Flow is planned for both quiet evenings and large parties. Number 2, built for wind and rain. Outdoor does not mean unpredictable. Good design buffers against sun, wind, and rain. So the party goes on. We integrate shading, monsoon drainage, wind buffers, and waterproof storage. A great barbecue does not depend on the weather. Number 3, design the cooking experience. Barbecues should feel like open air kitchens, ergonomic, beautiful, and equipped for both chefs and guests to enjoy. We treat the grill zone like a kitchen, practical, prepped, and party ready. LED task lighting, marble counters, and subtle exhaust features are non negotiables. Number 4, mood lighting matters. When the sun dips, lighting creates the vibe. String lights, up lights, dishes all look good but not together. We layer the lighting. Fairy lights for mood, warm wall washers for safety, and focus task lights wherever needed. Lighting turns a barbecue into an event. Number 5, do not forget the sound. No one remembers what they ate, but they will remember how the music made them feel all night. We build in sound systems and sometimes even add acoustic separation. Great music plus food plus view is equal to unforgettable terrace moments. If you're dreaming of a signature home with lasting impact, let's make it real. Reach out to us or visit our website to understand how we work. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.